Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am finally doing a very anticipated video, which is my hair tutorial, my updated hair tutorial. I cut my hair July 1st. It is October 19th, and my hair has grown very long. Very long. I cut my sides for a taper cut effect thing. My hair is curly, but when it's short, like as you can see, it's like wavy and kind of like, I don't know, their curls are very soft and I don't like it. So I just use product to make it curl up and stuff. I have a blue black semi rinse in my hair. And so I'm doing a voiceover. So I'm just watching me do it. I need to hurry up. I was feeling myself because my hair was longer. So jumping into the video, I just was in my mama's shop, so I just grabbed my products. I like to use the Frizz Patrol from Aunt Jackie's. I used that first. I don't know why. I just feel like it holds my curl or something. I don't really know why I used it first. I went to go show my mom how long my hair is. But I don't know why I used that first. It's like a foam type of thing. It just gets my curls started. I guess sometimes I use it beforehand or sometimes I use it after to hold it all. But I've seen that I like how it does my hair beforehand. So I just put it in and work it in. I mostly put it in the front and in the back, and then I go back and do my end. So I'm just gonna do that, and then I'll come back when, yeah. Okay, so as you can see, it made my hair do some type of curl, although that's not as curly as you can get. But it made it do some type of curl, which is what I like. It kind of keeps it wet because my hair like dries faster. Not super fast, but fast enough to where I would either have to spray it with that aloe water or with that. So I used the Curly Chick. I just bought this Saturday. I'm just trying this brand out. I just put moisturizer in my hair. I typically don't put moisturizer in my hair before I put gel in it, but yeah, I just bought it. So I'm just rubbing that in. It was very soft and it smells really good. Yeah, working that way in. It wasn't that expensive. I can't remember. It was either $5 or it was $8. But yeah, I just worked that in. I mostly try to get the middle because the middle is, I didn't really cut all of that heat damage part off. Not even heat damage, but just, I don't know, manipulation damage. I didn't even cut that all off. So sometimes it be kind of like dry or it don't curl. It don't hold the curl as good. So I try to moisturize that part specifically. Okay, so now I'm about to apply gel. I have the Curly Chick Mixed Texture Hair Care, Your Curls Defined, and then I use that. I like the consistency. That also smells really good. I just purchased that the same day I bought the moisturizer. I had used this gel as a touch-up gel, and it gives the shine and the hold that I like, so I really do like it. And as you can see, my hair is curling up, but it's not like it's still long. I like for my curls to be short. Like a lot of people don't know that my hair is actually longer than what it is because I sit under the dryer, or I use or I use a humidifier to dry it. And I like my hair to look shorter than what it is. So right now, I'm just rubbing my fingers through it, stretching it out so it can curl, and then I do like a not finger coils. Finger coils are like twists. I just like palm my hair or finger my hair like to make it like curl up the way I want. So I did use my dimming brush just to get some of the product out and just for it to stretch. I like for my hair to like not be, when you putting product in it, you want it to get thoroughly through, so you want to make sure that it's like combed out, not blow dry. You want to do it while it's wet, because if you do it while it's, you want to do it while it's dry. If you do it while it's you want to do it while it's wet. If you do it while it's dry, it's going to look blow dry or whatnot. You don't want that. So yeah, I just brush through it and let that do what it's gonna do. And I tried to turn around and show y'all, but it just seemed like this light was just so bright. Okay, so then I went in with my, what's that? No, I used more of that gel. And I mostly put gel in the front and in the middle, because the back part of your hair is already coarser than the rest of your hair. So I just put it in the front and in the middle, and you can see like my curls starting to come, but they just not how I like them. So I was starting to get mad, but I wasn't trying to show it. So then I went in with my glitter Eco Styler gel that was $12.99, but I always will use Eco because Eco is very thick and it makes my curls just like, I don't know, clumpier. I like for my curls to be together. So I use that still just to coat it, and it's glittery, so I just like it. And I was just working it into my root, not my roots, but like, like the hair down there. That's the finger thing that I was talking about, kind of like a sponge, but I do it with my fingers so they don't be as small and tight. So I do that for as long as I can stand it. Only thing I do not like about the glittery gel is that it leaves some type of like residue, like a line or something. I don't know, but I don't like that. And now I'm finna do my edges that I barely can do. I can see really good out of my left eye, and my right eye, it's like I be straining it. So my left side looks really neat, and then my right side always looks super messy. So, and I'm not an edge girl, so don't judge me. Sideburns, so I like to do them really nice, and I messed up all my edges just to go back and do the bottom first. And that's the way I figure best to do it. If you get the bottom done first, then you can get the top. But if you get the top and you do too long, then you can't do the bottom. And yeah, that's my life. So yeah, and I part it out. I'll be making sure it's even. You don't want them to look messy. And this can work for short hair or long hair. The same routine. I like short hair on me now because long hair is just too much to do. I like Style Factor gel. That's the edge control that is like, it be in the green and red jars, but it look colored, but it's not colored at all. I love it. I don't know, it just holds really good. Better than Eco to me on my edges. And then I grab a little bit more with my, oh, nope, I use more gel. Y'all, don't be scared to use gel, okay? Use as much gel as you think. But that's why you gotta get a good gel, a good moisturizing gel. Don't get no gel with no alcohol in it because that's a drying gel, and then you're gonna be crying because your hair gonna be dry. It's starting to get in the shape that I like it, but it's just still long. So I mean I liked it, but it's just still long. I do not like my hair long. And then I put the Style Factor in the front. I don't know why. It just gives me like it's kind of laying it down to keep it short. So I just comb it back. And then I just do a little slight little baby hair in the front. Barely. Because I don't have baby hair, honestly. I just have edges, but it's not baby hair. I have baby hair like on my neck and my back. I mean, like, whatever. So I'm trying to do my left side, but I told y'all my right side, but I told y'all I'll be tripping. So I kind of have to be in the mirror to do that. Looking at it, trying to see if I like it. I try to fill in those spots that are like making my hair like not look that full. And I don't like my hands to have all of this stuff on it. And I'm about to get under the dryer so y'all can see my hair dry. So y'all can see what I be talking about. Or if you have a diffuser, you can use that too. So I sit under the dryer with a heat in for like 15 minutes. Once that's done, you can see a major difference in height and in how tight my curls are. And then once it's dry, I kind of like touch up on my edges, touch up on the front, and then I might add a little bit more product. But the reason why your hair might be smashed or not as good looking in the morning is because you do not let it dry all the way. That goes with twist outs and flexi rise sets and any of those things. You have to allow your hair the full amount of time to dry, or else it will be smashed and matted, and not matted, but like pushed together, and you have to do it all over again. So I don't be minded sitting under the dryer. Anytime I add any type of product to my hair, even if it's just oil, I'm going to sit under the dryer so it can seep in. And now I'm just doing my final touches so that way I know this time when I get under the dryer, it's going to be the exact way that I want it when I come out. Yeah, I had to fix my edges again because, girl, my sideburns are so very long, so I have to just make it work. And I did. I made it look like that was just a long-ass edge, baby. I'm running out of Style Factor, so I need to go get some more. Or a skinnier brush. And then I can never do my baby hair right because it always wants to curl up, so I have to like force it to lay like that. And that looks ugly, but it can't curl because the other stuff ain't curled. Shout out to Fenty Skin. And shout out to The Real A Thing for doing my lashes. Because ain't none of them fell out yet. And it's finna be 2 weeks, I think. So I touched up the edges on the other side. As you can see, I had to look down because I be straining my eye out. So I had to put my glasses on just to make sure it looked good. Either way, like I have to hold my head a certain way. I don't know what's wrong with my eye. I just be feeling like I be straining it. So now that everything is nipped practically the way that I want it, I just go sit back under the dryer. Yeah. And then I use a hot setting, and then I'll go back and, like, to keep the frizz down, I'll use the cold, like, on my last 10 minutes or so. Look at those curls, y'all. Like, they so cute. They're so cute. So I was putting my stuff, I don't like mess, so I was putting my stuff up before I went and sat under the dryer. And yeah, this is not a sponsored video. I love all of these products. I bought all of these products with my own money. I did not show y'all me washing my hair because those are my products, and I just didn't do it. I just didn't record it because I just didn't. It wasn't no bad thing. And I'm going back in with a gel, the glitter gel, and I'm just forming it, shaping it the way I want. I don't like any hairs out of place or like too over to the side. So I'm just going in and making sure that that's going to look good because I'm not using any more products after I get from under the dryer. And you see that white line I was talking about? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's from the glitter gel because it always does that. And I know it's not from Style Factory because as you can see, I just did that and it didn't do that. Which I think is just the glittery part. But, I mean, it's whatever, I guess. It's just easy to wipe off, but it's just annoying. And you see that shine that my hair has? That's what I like about those gels. And that's with no oil. I did not apply oil into my hair yet, oil sheen or anything. So that's just literally the glow and the shine that my hair has. And that is the beauty of everything. Okay, so I'm back from under the dryer, and this was the finished product of me doing everything. I'm spraying a little oil in it. I don't know. That oil would be hella slippery. Like, it'll get on the floor, and you'll be sliding everywhere. That's why I apply it very close to my head. And it doesn't seep in unless you rub it in or you sit under the dryer. After this video, I don't even think I went back under the dryer. I think I just rubbed it in because I was going outside anyway. But it was all dry. I'm gonna do a 360, I hope. Yeah, that was beautiful. Do you see that? Like, do you see it? I know you see it. Now, I gave you a hair tutorial, but we have different hair types, different eating habits, different everything. So you can't do everything. You could do every single thing I do, and your hair still might not turn out the same. So you just have to be patient with your hair. You have to work with your hair. I've been doing this routine since I cut my hair. You might be trying to manipulate your hair into doing something else, and it might not work. But thank you for watching my video, and yeah.